The man who helped to lead Arkansas through a major health crisis is saying goodbye. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Donna Terrell. Dr. Nate Smith has headed up the Arkansas Department of Health for the last 7 years and is one of the faces in the fight against this pandemic. But now he plans to take his expertise to another state for a role on the national stage. Haley Brooks is live outside the state capitol with more on the contributions of Dr. Nate Smith. Haley.
Donna, we still have a couple more months with Dr. Smith, but by the end of August, he will be leaving the natural state to work for the CDC in Atlanta.
They have identified a real talent that we have in Arkansas.
A familiar face within the Arkansas Department of Health, Dr. Nate Smith, is taking the next step in his career and leaving Arkansas in the rear view.
It made it very difficult to make this decision.
Dr. Smith is taking a position at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in Atlanta. Dr. Smith says the decision comes after the CDC's deputy director announced his retirement in February.
I was encouraged by colleagues at the CDC to apply for the position.
Dr. Smith is board certified in internal medicine and infectious diseases. He's been the director and state health officer for ADH since 2013. Although Dr. Smith was encouraged to apply for the position with the CDC back in February, he stated his current post to ensure the safety of Arkansans through the pandemic and plans to finish the job out.
I've known about this for some time, but he has stayed at the helm to work through this crisis here with us.
And he will continue working through this crisis in the natural state until August 28th of this year.
Working for the governor has been one of the highlights of my career.
The governor also announced who the interim secretary of health will be. Dr. Jose Romero is the next man up. He works out of the Arkansas Children's Hospital and is a pediatric infectious disease specialist, and he's been practicing for more than 30 years. Reporting live in Little Rock, I'm Haley Brooks. Donna, back to you.
All right, Haley, thank you.